Good morning, class 6. Welcome back. We will continue with the chapter A Game of Chance. We have talked about several games yesterday. You must have visited several fates, maybe in your locality, where you have tried your luck, and sometimes it happens that maybe your friend has won maybe a packet of chips by throwing the frisbee or some disc and got a packet of chips and you lost, and but you were motivated and you wanted to try your luck again, and you took maybe a 5 rupee coin or like whatever the amount was from your mother again to try your luck. And even after several trials you maybe got something, or maybe you lost it. So it happens, that all depends on the luck. So here also the young boy was, we will see that he was lucky or not. Let's continue with the chapter. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. Oh, sorry. We have to start with paragraph 6. Then a boy, a little older than. I tried his luck. He got a comb worth 25 paise. The shopkeeper looked neither happy nor sad. He bought the comb from the boy for 25 paise. Sorry, the boy tried his luck again. He now got a fountain pen worth 3 rupees. Then he tried a third time and got a wristwatch worth 25 rupees. When he tried again, he got a table lamp worth more than 10 rupees. The boy was happy and went away with a smile and a good deal of cash. I wanted to try my luck too. I looked at Bhaiya. He encouraged me. I paid 50 paisa and took 6 discs. My luck was not too good. I got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them from me for 25 paise. I tried again. This time I got a bottle of ink, also of little value. The shopkeeper bought that too for 25 paise. I took a chance for the third time. Still, luck was not with me. So, the young boy saw an older man who won the beautiful clock, but he was not interested in keeping the clock. So, the shopkeeper took the clock and gave him 15 rupees. Then he saw a little boy who was older to him, and he tried his luck and he was very happy because he got good amount of money. Then he wanted to try his luck, and when he looked at the bhaiya who has accompanied him, the domestic help, he looked at him with an encouraging smile. So he paid 50 paisa and he took 6 discs. He tried his luck, but then he was not lucky. He got 2 pencils. The shopkeeper bought them for 25 paise. So 3 times the young boy tried his luck, but then the luck was not in favor. I had hopes of winning a big prize and continued to try my luck again and again, paying 50 paisa each time. But every time I got a truffle. At last I was left only with 25 paise. Again the shopkeeper showed his kindness. He said I could either play once more with 25 paise or settle the account then and there. I played again and the last 25 paise also disappeared. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. So he tried his luck, because this is something what happens when somebody gambles. He always has a hope that maybe another, if he or she tries once more, maybe the luck favors the person. And that is what was happening with him. He kept on trying his luck, but in the end he was disappointed. And there were some people who were looking at him that he was trying his luck. Some of them, they were laughing at him, but nobody was sympathetic. So after some time, when he has finished all his money, he along with his bhaiya, he went to the place where his uncle has left him, and asked him to wait there. Presently he came. He looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what had happened. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. Patted means he was like, used his hand to just back his at his back, used his back to, like, it's all right, it happens. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits, and sweets, and some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Back home, Uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made a fool of me. No, Uncle, I said, it was just my bad luck. No, my boy, said Uncle, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But, Uncle, I said, I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting 2 or 3 costly things. You don't know, child, Uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. They wanted your money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. So he said that they were all hand in gloves. That means they were all friends. The shopkeeper and the old man, the boy, they did all this to tempt him so that he will utilize his money, and this is what he did. So his uncle advised him that never again talk about it. uh, I mean, it is not going to show that it was your bad luck. It will prove his foolishness. So that's a very nice story with a good message for you all. That's all for today class. Please do the question answers in your notebook. Very like nine, maybe in a week's time you will be called with your notebooks for your correction. Take care of yourselves. Be safe at home. Thank you.